Hi there, I'm Scott Miller, founder and pricing evangelist with Miller Advisors. On April 27th at the PPS Chicago conference, I'll be conducting a full-day workshop titled Pricing and Offer Design in the B2B Subscription and as a Service Era. This workshop is a great way for product and pricing professionals to quickly ramp up your skill sets and take your organization to the next level in terms of how you price, monetize, and package your offers. So this is a hands-on style workshop that addresses some of your company's most complex pricing questions. I'll be discussing best pricing and offer design practices, introducing pricing tools that link pricing to your digital solutions value. We'll talk about commercial structures and contracting, as well as highlighting a variety of industry case examples. So register today and looking forward to a great and successful pricing conference.